Hi, today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard's theme on CUBOT P40. Firstly, go into Settings, then scroll all the way down and choose System. Now language is an input, virtual keyboard and keyboard that you're using, in my case Gboard. Pick theme, and over here you can click on Show More to see all available options. Then you can pick a color and apply it, or download one of the images and apply it as well. As you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!